In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image to a website in Google Docs. Linking an image is a great way to make your document more interactive. Instead of relying on plain text links, a clickable picture can guide readers straight to a site, a product page, or any resource you want to highlight. It's fast, clean, and keeps your document looking professional. First, open your Google Doc and insert the image you want to use. Go to the top menu, click Insert, then Image, and choose where you're pulling the picture from: your computer, Drive, Photos, or by URL. Once the image appears in your document, you're ready to make it clickable. If you haven't chosen your image yet, pick something clear and relevant so readers know what they're clicking on. Next, click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see small blue handles around the edges. This tells Google Docs that the image, not the text around it, is the thing you want to work with. Now add your link. The quickest way is with the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+K on Windows or Chrome OS, or Command+K on a Mac. If you prefer the menu, go to Insert at the top and choose Link. Either option opens a small link field right under or near the image. Paste or type the full URL of the website you want to link to into that field. Make sure it's the exact address you want your readers to visit, including the full HTTPS. At the beginning helps ensure it points correctly, and watch out for extra spaces at the start or end. If Google suggests a matching link, you can ignore suggestions and stick with your exact URL if you already have it. Finally, click Apply. That's it. Your image is now clickable, and anyone viewing the document can select the picture to go straight to the site. You might notice a small link indicator or tooltip when you click the image again. This is just Google Docs confirming that the hyperlink is attached. A quick note: linking an image doesn't change how you format it. You can still resize or move the image as usual, and the link will remain attached. Keeping a consistent layout and leaving a little space around the image can make it easier for readers to click. To recap, you inserted your image, selected it, used Ctrl+K or Command+K, pasted the website URL, and clicked Apply. With those simple steps, your image becomes an intuitive, professional-looking link within your Google Doc.